Say you're in the process of selling, perhaps buying a home, but you need some help. Today's your day. Call Carol McClintock. Right now, she's with FC Tucker, MG Realtors. Here's how you get her: 812-433-3456, 1-800-959-1414. Carol, it is nice to have you always. Great time of the year, and again, the market is terrific, isn't it?
It is. And you know, people say, oh, it slows down in the winter, fall and winter. We actually, last year, did 24% of our business in the fourth quarter.
Wow.
So October, November, I mean, you know, Mike, it's the same as, you know, any other time of the year. So now's a really great time to look for some bargains, because there's some houses that have been around for a while and people are thinking, yeah, we don't want to own it all winter long.
And you can get it. It's almost a steal, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
Something, too, it's a great time, if you haven't started, develop some habits, just keeping your house neat and fresh. Why is that so important?
Okay, well, this is good for everybody. We should all do this. I think we feel better about ourselves. Our home looks better if we can stay organized and on top of it all the time. So, you know, we make our bed every morning, make it look like someone's coming over.
Right.
That's our number one tip. Just keeping things looking good all of the time.
And keeping the kitchen sink empty.
Yeah.
Why is that a good idea?
Yeah, well, you go in, there's dishes in there. You know, go ahead and put them in the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, wash them up. Get that out of the way so that that's not something that, you know, you're facing when you come home from work.
There's a list right here. Nobody likes to clean their rooms, but if you clean a room a day, break it up, that helps, right?
Yes, I need to follow this advice right now, because, you know, we now have a thin layer of dust on every room in our house. But yeah, if you just, sometimes the elephant looks too big to eat. Just eat it one bite at a time. Just clean one room.
Hang a squeegee?
Yeah, in your shower. So the shower doors, if you have glass shower doors,
right.
If you don't have glass doors, you don't have to worry about this. But if you have glass shower doors, you can get a squeegee hung and just do it when you're getting out of the shower.
Gotcha.
Then you don't have to look at those. Yeah.
And again, this is, as you say, we all should do this.
Right, whether we're selling the house or not. If you're selling, definitely, because then you get in these habits, and keep them for a lifetime, because they'll make life much easier.
Also,
much
you
easier.
say assign, was it Cubbies or Cubbies?
Yeah, if you've got room, if everybody has a place, no, don't you hate that?
Oh.
You come in and you've got the mail, you've got your stuff, it goes on the kitchen counter. If everybody has a place to take it. Now, I've told a ton of people this. I called it my marriage saver. When we had a garage, because we live in a condo now, when we had a garage, we had a cabinet, we got it at Lowe's or Menards or somewhere, and put it right outside the garage door to the kitchen with a countertop on it. That's where all the mail went, all the stuff went.
It was perfect.
Hang your coats. None of it came in the house, so it didn't end up in a pile in the kitchen. Yeah.
Good tips, and we'll get more good tips. More importantly, to reach Carol, don't put it off. Call her right now. She's easy to talk to, and boy, she can give you the best answers possible. These are the numbers: 812-433-3456, 1-800-959-1414. She'll answer your call after these messages. Kenneth? Carol McClintock with FC Tucker, MG Realtors, is our expert guest. And here's again how you reach her. Just call the numbers 812-433-3456 or 1-800-959-1414. Give her a call. Our lines are open. In the meantime, talking about keeping the home neat and fresh, just like clean the sink, keep the dishwasher neat, huh?
Yeah, well, because if you run the dishes, then go ahead and unload it. Because then when you're doing your breakfast and dishes and all that, you can put them right in there. And that keeps the dishes from staying in the sink.
And of course, use it, wipe it, for whatever. That's throughout the house.
Yeah.
Anything you use, keep it clean.
Yeah, exactly. Kitchen counters, bathroom counters, any of that. Yeah, make sure that when you make the mess, you just get it wiped up.
And you say, snap it, shred it. Why is this important?
Right. Well, a lot of people have a lot of paper around their house, and we don't need to keep paper around our house anymore. Yeah. So you need to get everything, pictures, videos taken of it, and then get all that paper out, shred it, get it done. Some people have some old how many photo albums? People have piles and piles.
Stacks.
Go through those. You can put all that on disc.
Right.
And get rid of it. Or, you know, even better, sort through it first. I mean, how many pictures
do you need? Yeah.
I mean, let's take out 1 out of 50, because we're going to do this winter. We've got a ton of them.
Something, too, you said create a door box.
Yeah.
Why is that so?
And this could be in your garage. Ours is in our laundry room, anywhere. And we have a box, so when we run across something we don't need anymore, we're not going to use anymore, but somebody else could, then you put it in the box. Take it to Goodwill, take it to St. Vincent's, wherever you want to take it.
Have you ever come into a home and you say, I got a hoarder here?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
How do you handle that?
Well, what I tell, and this happens a lot, people over the age of 50, they've kept everything that they've ever owned. So a lot of times I'm working with families, and what I tell them is take the things out of the house that you want, or you want to move to a nursing home, or you want to take home with you, and then have a service, and there's some very good services come in, and they just take everything out. And they sell what's valuable, they throw away what's not, and it's makes life so much easier.
Folks, she's as good as it gets, and you can get hold of Carol McClintock with FC Tucker MG Realtors. Here's how you get hold of her. 14news.com, our Ask the Expert page. Carol, have a wonderful day, and as always,
thank you.
Thanks for your expertise.